So we're working going down. What is 3 to the second power? 9. Plus, what is 4 to the second power? 16. And what do you do with a c squared? Bring it down. Very good. So this is what we have so far. Now we combine like terms, which are these two right here. So what is 9 plus 16? 25 equals to, what do we do with a c squared? Bring it down. Now the question is this. We're solving for c, correct? Now, how do we get rid of the power, the second power, that right there?
We add it to the machine.
How do we get rid of it? Alright, that's right. In order for you guys to get rid of that second power, what we need to do to both sides is to take the square root of it. Remember that? Yes. Okay. So we take the square root of that. This right here will cancel out, guys. What is the square root of 25?
5.
So according to this, c is equal to 5. Well, c is actually what? X. So according to this, x is equal to 5. And we have our answer. We have our answer. That's all right. We're going to go ahead and practice more. We're going to practice again. Okay? Ready for the other one? All right. I'm going to put another example now. And what I want you guys to do is, I want you guys to try this one out. All right? I'm actually going to do 2 problems here. All right? And we'll work on it together. We'll have one here. We have those 2. What do you guys think should be the very first thing you guys should do?
Plug in the numbers.
So you're good, but I suggest you do something else, which you're on the right track though. What I will do every single time, guys, is write down the equation. Why is this very important? Not only is it easier to solve, the more you write it, the more you're going to remember. The more you do it, the more you're going to remember. If you write it once, alright, you probably remember it. If you write it 20 times, you're going to remember a whole lot more. So every single time you write it, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Now this is the next important part. When do you use it? Because in math you learn a lot of tools. Okay? When do you use this? Can you use this for any type of triangles?
No, just right triangles.
Only right triangles. And that's one of the first things that you guys need. The second thing that you guys need is what? At least what?
2 sides.
2 sides. Here, do we have 2 sides?
Yes.
Yes. Do we have a right angle? Can we use it? Yes. Well, not necessarily. You could have in a right triangle, you could only have one side. The length of one side, what I'm talking about. The measurement. In this case, we have the measurement of 2. Sometimes they'll just give you the measurement of 1. Do you understand? Then you cannot use the Pythagorean theorem unless you have another side. Okay? So in this case, yes. Now, the next question is this. These 2 numbers, are they A, B, or C?
A.
Is it C?
No.
No, it's not. We have to solve for C, right? So that's the next part. Understanding what is A, understanding what is B, and understanding what is C. Does it matter which one is A?
No.
No, so let's plug it in. I'll put this one down as what? 16. All right, 16 squared plus 12 squared is equal to
C squared.
C squared. What's the next step, guys?
Find the square root. The square.
All right. So what is this one going to be equal to?
256.
256. Okay. Plus, what is this one equal to? What is it?
144.
All right, very good. What do you do with the c squared? Bring it down. Very good. What do you do next?
Combine the like terms.
Combine like terms, these two. When you combine them, what do you get? 400?
Equals, we bring the square down.
All right. How do we get rid of the exponent?
Find square root.
We take the square root of what? Both sides. What you did to one side, you did to the other. You go, girl. What's square root of 400?
20.
That's your side right there, guys. So this right here, the hypotenuse, is equal to what? 20 meters. I want you guys to try this one on your own, and then afterwards we're going to compare notes, all right? I'll give you guys 1 minute, 2 minutes. Two minutes is up. You guys need more time? Yes? All right, so let's go ahead and see if you guys have the same thing. What is the very first thing that you guys should do? Write down what?
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Why is it important? So you go remember. Very good. What is A?
5 squared.
5 squared. Okay. What is B?
12 squared.
12. Okay, we'll put squared equals to?
C squared.
What should we do next?
Find the multiply by the
5 times 5 is what? 25. Good. Plus?
144.
Equals to? C squared. All right. Then combine like terms. What do you get?
169.
Is equal to?
13.
And then how do you solve for C? Take the square root of both sides. This will cancel out. Guys, notice that I've seen this before. That once you get here, you put the C squared. The squared is gone already, guys. It cancels out. You don't have to put that anymore. So square root of 169 is what? 13. So according to this, the hypotenuse over here, it will be 13 inches. Any questions over here? Yes?
What if we get the other way, like 12 squared plus 5 squared?
You're ahead of me. That's the next thing I'm going to show you. Good job. All right. Any question with this part over here? Nope. All right.